Formatting. The contents of a highlighted cell can be formatted in many ways. Font and cell attributes can be added from shortcut buttons on the formatting bar. Cell formatting. The default number format assigned to a cell is the general format. General format displays whatever is entered in the cell with a couple of exceptions. If the cell is not wide enough to display a long decimal number, general format rounds off the number and uses scientific notations for especially large or small numbers. For example, 0.000000000001 is displayed as 1e to 10 in default column width cell. To customize the format of the cell, you can select Format Cells command. If the data is number, you will be presented 12 categories of format options as shown in figure 9.6. Creating custom format. If you don't see the number format you would like among the listed categories, you can create a custom format. Click custom in the category list to create a custom format. Each number format consists of 4 parts. The first part describes the positive numbers, the second describes the negative numbers, the third describes zero values, and the fourth describes text values. Each part is separated from the other by a semicolon. You don't have to specify all parts of the format. If you specify only two, the first is used for positive numbers and zero values, and the second is used for negative numbers, text values. Use general format. If you specify only one, all numbers use the same format, and text value use general format. Symbols used in custom format. Meaning: a placeholder that determines how many digits display on either side of a decimal number. If the custom format is 0000, then 12 will be displayed as 0012. 450 will be displayed as 0450. A placeholder similar to the zero character, except that significant zeros do not appear if the number has fewer digits than the number of placeholders specified. If custom format is then 1500 will be displayed as 1500. A placeholder similar to the zero character, except that space is left for significant zero characters on either side of a decimal point. If the custom format is 0, then for 16.545 and 2.4, if displayed vertically, the decimal point of 16.545 will become under the decimal point. Indicate how many digits appear to the right of a decimal point. The cell display will round to the number of placeholders to the right of the decimal point in the format. If the custom format is then 1.2 will be displayed as 1.20 and 58 will be displayed as 58.00. You can choose any format for the cell. The contents of the cell will appear accordingly. For example, selecting a currency format that displays the currency symbol followed by a 2 decimal number will show the value of 547.55 as $547.55. Similarly, selecting date format for a cell as MMDDYY will convert the January 16, 2005 to 1/16/2005 automatically. Aligning cell contents. Alignment of the cell contents can be changed from the Alignment tab of the Cell Format dialog box. The default alignment of text and numbers in a cell is generally. However, you can change the alignment to left, right, center, justified or fill. Similarly, you may control the orientation of the worksheet from the Alignment tab of the Cell Format dialog box. You can set the cell contents. Okay.